There is gas is below in this car AC, so that's why I have to check any leakage. I think this nipple is leakage because I got some oil here. So also I think this cap have some oil. If you can get any oil anywhere, you can understand here is leakage. This is the first process. Another process, we have to put air pressure. Then see there is bubbles coming. That means nipple is leak. So I have to change it new one. You can see this nipple is already problem. So that's why I will put it new one. Okay. Then I will check it again by air pressure. Yeah, air pressure is already 250 and more something. You can see, I think no bubbles. That means now it's okay.